Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Info 2304, System Analysis and Design, Group 4. Today we will be presenting our group project, which is Recreational Membership Club. This is our group members, Muhammad Hazim bin Aizi, Muhammad Syaramli bin Saimi, Muhammad Daniel Hakim bin Muhammad Saimi, and Amirul Ashraf bin Muhammad Rasli. This is the problem statement. The problem with the current systems to register membership from the Royal Summer Club is it requires too many steps. It is so troublesome to the new customer, and in return will make less people interested to purchase the membership. So we're here to revolutionize the registering system by improving the current system to a more up-to-date one. Customer can now apply through our website. This is much easier and faster than the traditional one. With an improved system and process, RSC could attract more people to be a member of the club. Therefore, an improved system for a convenient subscription process and better communication must be conducted to reach the objective of Royal Senang Club. This is the first use case diagram. There are three actors in this use case diagram. The first one is customer, next is membership department, and then the third one is interviewer. Firstly, the customer will attend the introduction night, and then the interested customer will apply for the membership and send it to the membership department, and then the membership department will check the documents and approve it and then send it to the interviewer, and lastly the interviewer will interview the customer. Next, this is the second use case diagram. This use case diagram has been divided into three subsystems, which is application subsystem, approval subsystem, and interview subsystem. This will help us to have a clearer vision on the program. Lastly, this is the class diagram for all of the use cases. The first entity is customer. The customer has 10 attributes, which is the first name, last name, age, gender, ID number, email, phone number, address, duration of application, new or existing member. The customer will fill all of the required information to the document, and then the document, which has three attributes, which is the application number, date, and approval status, will then be received by the membership department, which has two attributes, which is staff name and staff ID. And then the membership department will approve the document and then send it to the interviewer. And then the interviewer, which has no attributes, will then interview the customer. Next, the interviewer will return the results of the interview to the membership department. And lastly, the membership department will issue the membership to the customer. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Daniel Hakim Muhammad Saimi with metric number 2018451, and this is how our prototype for our website. Here is the homepage. So here we got two buttons. So I'll be presenting about the how to become a member. So just click this button and it will redirect us to the membership application page. Here is required for anyone who want to become a member to fill the name. For example, just put my name here. Then my email. And create and give age. And here we need to upload a document. So after all of this has been completed, just click submit, and it will show the notification about our submission. So we have to wait for the document approval, and the interview notification. So next we back to the home and then wait for the invitation for the interview. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, I'm going to present on my part about the approval subsystem which the actor is membership department. So, for the use case design for the approval subsystem, as you can see, the actor is membership application, customer and membership department. So, the step performed are membership department view the application and membership department will check for the documents whether it's valid or not, and the membership department will approve the document. And the membership department will give the information to the interviewer whether the document is valid or invalid. And here is the activity diagram and the sequence diagram for the membership department. And this is the design output interface. For the prototype, this is just a prototype, so it's not so beautiful. So this is the point of view of the membership department after login. And as you can see, it requests the document from each applicant, and you can see applicant number one, number two, and so on. So if we want to confirm the documents, click on the applicants, and it will show all the info about the applicant. And it will show also the document attached, which what type of file is the document. And there is three buttons when you click on this, which is the documents. To see all the documents, should be open on the other tab and will show all the documents that you have. And it also have the decline and accept valid. So if the department accept the valid document, it will notify the interviewer that the applicant is eligible for the interview. And if you click on decline the documents, it will go to another tab and shows a comment box for what documents that is needed for the application be valid. So that's all from.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Amir Rashad bin Muhammad Razli. Metric number is 2013137. So I will present on the task 8, which is interview. So this is the use case design. The use case name is interview. Unit ID 6969. The area is interview subsystem. Actor is customer, membership department, and interviewer. Description is to conduct interview for membership application. The triggering event for this use case is membership department approve the document. The triggering type is internal. The first step is interviewers will receive interview notification, which is the list of the interviewee. And next, customers will receive the interview notification on the confirmation page. And the last one is customer will receive notification for the result of the interview on the notification page. The preconditions are is customer document is approved. The post conditions is customers become a new member, and the assumptions is customer is not an existing member and the document is approved. Requirements met is interviewer will proceed with an interview. Outstanding alternate flow, if the customer failed the interview, customers can apply for the membership again and go through the interview again. So this is the use case diagram. uh, the interviewer will receive the interviewee list and will notify the customers for interview session and will conduct the interview. After the interview, interviewer will notify the customer about the interview result. This is the sequence diagram. The interviewer here will receive notification from membership department and then will conduct the interview with the applicants. After interview, interviewer will return interview results and notify applicants the result of the interview. So this is the output interface. If the applicant is accepted. So that's all from me. Thank you. So this is the prototype for the interview status use page for the output interface. So when the applicant log in to the website and click on the status, it will show the status, the result of the interview. For example, in this case, the user is accepted to the Royal Selangor Club.